ask you something.
Have you come across videos like this, or this lately? You know the ones. People making rice masks, applying yogurt and turmeric, or making their own toners with rice. It all looks so clean, simple, and kind of magical, right? And it makes you wonder, is this the secret the beauty industry doesn't want us to know? Or is it just really good aesthetic content? Let's talk about the rise and risks of do-it-yourself skincare.
Well, for starters,
the messaging hits hard. No chemicals, all natural, straight from your kitchen. And in a world where skincare labels look like science class, people find comfort in things they can pronounce. It's like,
if I made it myself and I recognize every ingredient, it must be safer, right?
Plus, with prices of skincare skyrocketing, do-it-yourself feels like the perfect dupe for high-end products. A clean, affordable, Pinterest-worthy solution.
But here's the thing.
Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's good for your skin. And just because something sounds chemical doesn't mean it's harmful. Cosmetic chemist Perry Romanowski put it best. Just because you can't pronounce something doesn't mean it's bad. Natural things like strawberries contain dozens of chemicals too.
Let that sink in.
He also uses salt, sodium chloride as an example. Sounds intimidating, but it's just table salt. A chemical, yes, but not a scary one. Every single thing, whether it grows on a tree or comes from a lab, is made of chemicals. Water is a chemical. Oxygen is a chemical. Your tears, also chemicals. The issue isn't chemicals. It's context, dosage, and how our skin reacts. So, what could go wrong with do-it-yourself?
Oh, plenty.
Let's take lemon juice, often used in do-it-yourself brightening masks. It's extremely acidic, can disrupt your skin barrier, cause photosensitivity, and lead to burns. Essential oils, super concentrated. They can be irritating, especially on broken or sensitive skin. And the biggest red flag?
bacteria.
Let's talk rice water, huge on TikTok. According to the World Health Organization, cooked rice kept at 35 degrees Celsius can grow a generation of Bacillus cereus bacteria in just 15 minutes. So that rice toner you left out for 3 days, it might be doing more harm than good. But here's where it gets nuanced. A lot of people aren't doing it yourself for results. They're doing it for the ritual. It's calming, intentional, affordable. It gives people a sense of control and comfort, especially in stressful times. Lighting a candle, playing soft music, mixing ingredients with your hands. It feels like taking care of yourself. Even if science isn't perfect, the emotion is real. Do-it-yourself skincare in many cases is about self-soothing, not just skincare, and that's totally valid. So what should we take away from this? For brands and dermatologists, this trend is a wake-up call. Consumers are craving transparency, simplicity, and agency. They're tired of being talked down to by brands that only output confusing ingredients and fancy packaging. But instead of pushing people to return to the pre-industrial make-it-yourself era, maybe the better path is to move forward towards skincare that is both scientifically backed and emotionally intuitive. Let's build products that are tested and trustworthy. Let's offer education, not fear. Let's empower people with knowledge so they don't have to choose between pretty packaging and peace of mind. Because skincare isn't chemistry, it's connection.